Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be explaining the dance step by step and with the counts. And don't worry because this tutorial is mirrored, so feel free to follow me. If I'm speaking too fast or too slow, you can adjust the speed of the video in the YouTube settings. If you want to practice with the music, check the link in the description. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. And if you're ready, let's get started. So the first counts go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So for this part we have to separate our legs like this, and we lift the left leg up. So we lift it and with the right hand we touch it. So all together, touch. So let's repeat again. We separate, we touch, and now we separate again. And then we join together and we clap. So we touch, separate and a jump, together and clap. Let's repeat from the beginning. So separate, jump, touch, separate, join. Then you jump again and you touch, but this time with your right leg up, and you touch with the left leg. So you touch. And then again, you separate in a jump and you touch, then separate again and clap. Let's repeat one more time so we don't get confused. So we separate, touch, separate, jump. So if you notice, we're just repeating the same moves but with different legs. So let's repeat from the beginning. We go separate, touch, separate, clap. Again, separate, touch, separate, clap. Then we go push, push, push. So for this part, we have to lift our legs slightly, not too much. Our right leg 3 times, and with our hands open, we have to push 3 times. So from the top to the middle to bottom. So all together is push, push, push. After this, we have to look back to the front. So we're looking slightly to the right, and with our hand, we look fully to the front. Okay, so we push with our hand, with our left hand, and look to the right. Then we jump. So for this part, our hands are into fist, and we go from top to bottom. We throw and we jump. So we move to the front and jump. So let's repeat is push, 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 move to the front and jump. Okay, so after this, we have to jump 3 times. So for this step, we have to separate our legs 3 times. But while doing that, we have to jump once, then jump again and jump again until we fully separate our legs. And our hands are into fist, and we go from bottom to the middle 3 times also. So from bottom to a little bit and then to the middle. So all together, it's boom, boom, boom. Now let's repeat from this part from the beginning. So we go separate, touch, separate, join, separate, touch, separate, join, push, 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 look to the front, jump, boom, boom, boom. Then on 1, 2, 3, our left hand is going to be on top of our left leg, and then with our right hand we're going to do 1, 2, 3. So every time we do 1, we lean to the right. When we do 2, we lean to the back. And on 3, we lean to the left. So it's 1, 2, 3. And on 8, we bend down. So we bend our knees and we go down like this. So well done. Good job. We've already finished with the first part. Now let's repeat from this part. Okay, so we don't forget. So we go. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Next we go 1, 2, 3, 4. So for this part we have to lean back, looking to the left. So we lean, and with our hands we go right first, then left, up. So we go right, left. Okay, so slowly. And then we go circle with our index finger. So our legs are looking to the left, then to the right, then to the left, then to the right. So we bend our right leg, then bend left, bend right, and bend leg. And with our right index finger, we're going to do a circle, but slowly. So every time we do this move, our cycle, like we complete our cycle, so we just do it slowly. Okay, not too fast. So circle and slowly. So let's repeat from this part. So slow, 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 stop and circle. And then on 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, first we put the left leg at the back, then the right goes back, and then we step again with the left leg. So it's left, right, left. And then again, right, then we step with the left, and then with the right. So it's right, left, right. So left, right, left, right, left, right, and then 2 times more, left, right, left, right, left, right. And for the hands, it's just freestyle, so you can just move them the way you want to. But this part is really fast, so be careful. And to finish, we can just jump. This is also freestyle, so do what you want to. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8.